All right, this is just going to be a short little video about the Canam Defender Bimini top that rolls up. As you can see here, it's got a plastic sun visor on the front, screws down with 4 screws on the top, and then 2 screws here on the bottom. It's got 2 straps, one on each side here underneath, 2 straps here on the back that hold it down to the back corner. It does go around the work light mount here on the back, so that if you have work lights, it goes right around. And then it has 2 Velcro loops here on the back that go around the back of the cage here on the inside. It does disconnect and then roll up underneath here, underneath the plastic sun visor, and then has nylon straps with snaps to snap it down so that you have an open top.